everyone, you're watching Sattva's YouTube channel and this is Niranjana for you. So today I have yet another hack for you guys. As you know, Sattva TV is full of hacks for your daily life. There is beauty hacks, makeup hacks. You have to check that out. And today what I want to share with you is a hair mask which you can prepare with 3 simple ingredients from home. So all you need is a hair oil, some fenugreek powder and some aloe vera gel. Now the hair oil can be any oil, it can be just coconut or olive oil or anything for that matter. But we are going to use Sattva hair oil because why use one oil when you can have the benefits of 9 different oils? Sattva is a combination of 9 essential oils, so it is the perfect choice for the mask. The second one is dried fenugreek. As you know, fenugreek is rich in lecithin. It is good for a number of hair issues. Itchy scalp, dry ends, hair growth, premature graying, you name a hair problem, fenugreek will be the solution to that. So fenugreek is definitely a great addition for any hair mask. And the third and the last ingredient is aloe vera gel. Again, it's a multi-purpose product. You can add direct aloe vera juice if you have the plant, or you can use any natural aloe vera gel that is available in the market. It also gives that fluffiness to the mask. So these are the 3 ingredients and you can use it once in a week, and within 4 times of usage, you can see a very visible result and a very visible difference in your hair condition. So let's get started with the mask and see how easy it is to do at home.
So here we have all the 3 ingredients for the mask. First is the Sattva hair oil, which is a combination of almond oil, castor, coconut, grapeseed, emu oil, amla, jojoba, vitamin E and olive oil. Then we have fenugreek powder, which is freshly grounded. And there is some aloe vera gel. A colorless aloe vera gel is what I have here. You can also use aloe vera juice directly from the plant if that is available. So you have to mix the fenugreek powder and aloe vera gel in equal proportion. I am taking here 2 tablespoons each. To this mixture you can add as much as oil that you want. It depends on the length of your hair. Mix it until it becomes a creamy mixture, not too runny and not too dry as well. Something that will perfectly blend in with your hair, which you can wash off like a mask. So to maintain, to get the right consistency, you can add oil. Now we have the perfect consistency for the mask. Now you have to apply it mainly onto the scalp where you have dandruff, and you can also apply the rest throughout the length of your hair. So it is best to apply on wet, damp hair. So let's see how that works. On very wet hair, you can apply the mask directly. The consistency of the mask can be more creamy or more watery, but this consistency is just perfect for me. You have to apply it with more focus on areas like at the back of your head where you have more itchy scalp or dandruff, and also if your hair is also wet, then throughout the hair length you can apply it. Massage it gently and also maybe with a bit of a scratching action also for that better absorption. Once the mask is applied, next is a very important step. Tie it up and then you have to secure it with a shower cap, a plastic shower cap. This is essential because a dry mask can actually dry out your hair if you let it dry that way. So you have to secure it. In this way your hair is safe and you can continue with your other activities. Your hair will still maintain that moisture and the mask will not dry up, but then you will get all the benefits of the mask as well. And after washing off, my hair feels a lot smooth and I can see a visible reduction in dandruff in those particular areas. As you can see, it has less knots right now and it is not at all tangled and very less frizzy, and it feels very good conditioned as well. So the hair texture has really been improved and you can use this mask maybe once a week. So to summarize, the aloe vera fenugreek Sattva hair oil mask, it can be used once a week and you can make it to any consistency, be it a bit watery or a bit more thicker. It strengthens the hair from the roots, it can treat dandruff and itchy scalp, and also it deep conditions your hair. You can actually skip a conditioner unless you have extremely dry hair. This is an all-round protection kind of mask which will benefit all hair types, and definitely after using for maybe 1 month, that is up to 4 times, you can definitely see very visible results, especially in terms of reduced scalp itchiness as well as dandruff, and definitely stronger hair. So yeah, no more bad hair days with this mask, and yeah, that's it.
So that was a very simple hack which you can try, right? So you can use it once in a week, and within 4 weeks, that is 4 times in a month, you will see very visible difference, and you're gonna come back and thank us for that. So check out all the other videos as well, and stay tuned. If you have not subscribed to the channel already, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you will not miss out any notifications from us. So we will meet soon through Satwa's YouTube channel through more easy hacks that can make your life easier. So until then, this is Niranjana signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.